When your chest feels tight and your thoughts won't slow down, you can't talk yourself out of it. You don't need another mindset trick. You need your body to calm down first. Grab a calming essential oil if you have one. Adaptive is my first choice. If not, plain lavender works beautifully. Put a drop in your palm, rub your hands together, cup your hands over your nose and mouth, close your eyes, take 4 slow breaths with me. In for 4, hold for 4, out for 6. Notice 3 things: the scent, the warmth of your hands, and the air moving in and out. You're telling your nervous system, we're safe right now. That's your 60-second reset. Use it anytime anxiety spikes. In this video, I'll show you why this works, how to use it during the day and at night, and how to up-level it if you need deeper support. If we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Stacy, and I help high-capacity women rebuild their wellness without burning out. Why this works. This isn't just smelling something nice. When you inhale essential oils, aromatic molecules go straight to your limbic system, the part of your brain that regulates stress and emotion. At the same time, that long exhale activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode. So you're stacking chemistry, breath, and focus to shift your body out of fight or flight into safety. The goal isn't perfection. It's having one simple tool you'll actually use. So how do you use this during the day? For daytime anxiety, especially busy brain energy, you want calm focus, not sedation. Use this before a work block, after a hard parenting moment, when your planner makes your chest tighten, before shifting from work mode to people mode. Diffuse adaptive or lavender with citrus. Keep a diluted roller nearby. When anxiety rises, roll it on your chest, your neck, or wrists, and repeat the reset. If you've tried oils before and it felt like it only helped a little, you may need layered support. That's where the full adaptive system comes in. The oil, the roller, and the capsules for internal support. Instead of working in one direction, you're supporting your nervous system from multiple angles. Details are below if you want them. And using this with your kids, you can teach this same reset to your kids. Keep it simple. When feelings feel big, we breathe with this oil. Diluted lavender, slow breaths together make it playful if they're young. You're building a pattern. When things feel big, we have a tool. Oils help, but they're not the whole story. Oils calm the symptom, but long-term peace comes from supporting the root causes. If your system feels like it's running hot all the time, that's exactly why I created the High Capacity Wellness Blueprint. It shows you where you're leaking resilience and how to fix it in simple, sustainable ways. I'll link it below. Now, if you don't have adaptive, for calm focus, lavender plus citrus. For deeper calm, lavender plus cedarwood or frankincense. Same reset, drop in hands, breath, apply diluted. Using oils at night. If anxiety shows up as racing thoughts or 2 a.m. wake-ups, diffuse by your bed. Do the reset in bed, rub the rest on your chest and on your wrists, and pair it with one calming cue, reading, stretching, or a quick brain dump. If nights are consistently hard, you may need deeper support. The adaptive system can help there too. Now, some common mistakes: only using oils in emergencies, expecting them to fix life on fire, or using low quality oils. Think rhythm, not rescue. And some safety basics: always dilute, keep away from your eyes, use common sense, and professional guidance when needed. So what to do next? Pick one oil, adaptive or lavender. Use the reset once today when you start ramping up, and once proactively before a stressful moment or bed. If you're ready to go deeper, check out the blueprint and the Resilience Studio below. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs calm today. Your body can learn safety again, one tiny reset at a time.